Hi there, this is Amy with Amy's Sewing Studio. I am making knit fabric headbands today and wanted to make a short little video to supplement a tutorial that I'm doing on my website. So if you want to check out all the other pictures that go with this video and the directions for the tutorial, I will post the link in the description of this video or in the comment. So make sure you check that out fully. Again, this is just a short supplemental video. What I have is knit fabric that I purchased at the store. Most knit fabrics come in a width of 58 to 60 inches long. So this is my width of the fabric right here. And I have pre-washed my fabrics to get whatever chemicals off the fabric. I just went ahead and washed them. I have folded my fabric. I trimmed the selvage edges off the fabric, just very little bit. And now I have these strips folded together. Okay, and it's with knits, it doesn't really matter. It's hard to tell if there's a right or wrong side, so if you can't tell, don't worry about it. Those are folded together, and here's the fold line. And what I did is I am folding this again, and I'm going to match the fold line up with the edge that I just cut off the selvage edge. And these headbands, we want a strip of fabric that's 2.5 inches wide and 19 inches long. So the first thing that you'll do is, I'm going to turn this so you can see. I'm going to use my rotary cutter and my clear ruler, and I'm going to cut the width of the fabric so it's 2.5 inches this way. So I'll get one straight edge of fabric. I'm going to get my fold end at the folded end you can't see, or this end, and you're going to match it up on a straight line edge. You can see my line here. I've got my fabric all lined up on one side so I can make a cut and make a straight edge all the way up. Then I'm going to bring my ruler to this side, and I'll measure a 2.5 inch width. And this is a part that's 2.5 inches, so I'll take my rotary cutter and I'm going to cut all the way up that side. This is the piece that we'll be using to cut the 19-inch strips from. I already have, and you'll open this out all the way. So you'll just have a single layer of fabric. You'll lay it across your mat, and you'll measure this at 0 or whatever, measure 19 inches out. And you'll put your clear ruler wherever you measure 19 inches, line it up, cut it off. And I already have some other bands cut here that are 19 inches in length, 2.5 inches wide. You're going to have 2 pieces of fabric for your headband, so you can pick a solid color for one side, a pattern color for the other side. Here's my one solid, or pattern and solid. You're going to put the right sides together. Sorry, wrong sides together, so you'll have your right side out. So you'll be able to see the cool pattern of your headband. And what you'll do is you're going to take these bands to your sewing machine, and you're going to stitch down both sides using a stretch stitch. Both sides, and then you will fold right sides together and bring your other width raw edges together. You'll get them all matched up pretty good there, and then you'll bring this edge underneath your sewing machine and you'll stitch all the way down. Once you get that stitched, you will have a headband that's ready to wear. So again, this is just a quick supplemental video. Click on the link over to my website. This is Amy with amysewingstudio.com for knit headbands. Thanks for watching. Bye.